I want to say that Sowore is my leader. I believe in him more than any other person in this country. But the position he has taken, I disagree with that position. And I also know that he is bound to fail. There has never been a time in the history of the world. In short, even when there were about 3 persons in the world, there was even terrorism, there was criminal act. Cain and Abel, I think it's there in the Quran, it's there in the Bible. One killed one. For what reason? What was the reason that at that time for one to kill the other one? So there will always be evil act. And you must try to see how you work with people who do not share your values, who do not believe in what you believe. And on this, Aristotle said something. You must not believe in what people believe, but you must find a way to work with them. How can he? Okay, now, assuming he becomes the president, who becomes the vice president? Is he going to be the Senate president? Is he going to be the governor in all the states of the federation? So he cannot do it alone. Yeah, my suggestion would be for him to work with those who share some values with him, but not for him to say he wants to do it alone, because he can never do it alone. That what the Aristotle said was that it is the mark of an educated mind to be able to accept a thought without believing in it. So you have to bring in people, even if they don't share your values with you. How can you be a presidential candidate and then you think you can do it alone in a country that the election is usually monetized, that thuggery, we don't have institutions that are working, the judges are very corrupt, if not the most corrupt, and you have electoral system that is shared, is led by somebody with questionable character, and you think you'll be able to do it. Any presidential candidate, and in addition to what I have said, any presidential candidate that does not have the courage to be able to fight will not support the president, because we know he's not going anywhere. You should be ready for a fight. You should be able to challenge, come out openly to challenge things when they go wrong. You know, I said, no, we want peace, we want peace. It is only when you see, when you want peace, you should prepare for war. That is the only time you can get peace. Ladoja claimed to be NANS president from Oyo State. He has handed over to Babatude Akinteye, who attacked me, from Oyo State. Is that how this is an organization that you have the leadership is rotated between 6 geopolitical zones, not only from the same zone, from the same state, because we have a Yoruba president. So the Yorubanization of the country has gone to a level where even student leadership again is has taken the same direction. A man from Oyo who claimed to be NANS president has handed over to another man from Oyo again. So any presidential candidate that's not ready to fight, that say anything, say, no, we want peace, is not a responsible man to be supported. You must be ready for a fight. Once you are ready for a fight, then we can support you.